and laws of Passover work?
What kind of ceremony is this?
What is going on here? What's going on?
Noah Ginsburg, and I am here with Jews News. Joining me today, I will be interviewing 4 sons. The other 2 will be joining us momentarily, but with me right now is the wicked son and the wise son.
I hate life.
So, before in other Jewish readings, we had heard the wicked son giving a question that didn't seem quite so wicked, and the wise son giving a bit more of a descriptive question. Comparing them both, we found that they are quite the same.
I beg to differ.
I'm fixing my hair, dude. Okay. Wicked son doesn't care. Wise son, thank you. When we compare them together, we find that they mean practically the same thing, but told in different ways. So, does the wicked son truly deserve to be called the wicked son?
Nay. I strongly think yes.
What? Okay. Thank you 2 for joining me. And then we will be back in a moment where we will have the simple son and the son who does not speak. We'll talk momentarily. We'll be back on Jews News. And here we are back with Jews News. I am here with the simple son and the son who does not speak. Thank you. It is a chestnut. The simple son. Oh, thank you. The simple one's question to the father, and I quote, "What is this?" Simply speaking about Passover, but being simple-minded, aren't you simple-minded?
Yeah.
Being simple-minded, this son asked a plain and simple question, but the son who does not know how to ask did not simply ask. These are the 2 extra sons from the 4, not extra, excuse me. These are the 2 other sons from the group of 4, and they have they have joined me on Jews News. Thank you and good night.